Fill 2 cups with 10 milliliters of water each. Add 1 drop of blue color in 1 cup. Add 2 drops of yellow color in the other cup. Using the spatula, add 2 scoops of crystal powder in each of the cups and wait for 1 minute for the crystal to form. Add the blue crystal to the yellow and mix. The crystal turns into green. Scientific explanation. The blue crystal absorbs the yellow color, and the yellow crystal absorbs the blue color. The combination creates the green color.